Good morning. How's it going?
Morning. It's going all right, the usual. How about you?
Hanging in there. The week feels longer than usual, doesn't it?
Totally. I'm counting down the days till the weekend. Any exciting plans for tonight?
Not really. Just thinking of cooking something easy and catching up on my favorite show. How about you?
Nice and chill. I'm meeting some friends for dinner. We're thinking of trying that new Italian place downtown.
Oh, the one with the fancy decor? I heard it's good. Let me know how it is.
Will do. By the way, have you seen the news about that new movie coming out? I heard it's supposed to be amazing.
Yeah, I saw the trailer. It looks incredible. We should plan to watch it together sometime.
Absolutely. Maybe this weekend? Oh, speaking of weekends, any plans?
Not really. I might go for a hike if the weather's nice. I feel like I've been cooped up indoors for too long.
That sounds refreshing. Mind if I join? I could use a good hike to clear my mind.
Sure thing. The more, the merrier. Oh, and have you tried that new workout place that opened up? I heard they have some great classes.
Not yet, but I've been meaning to check it out. Maybe we can do a class together sometime.
That sounds like a plan. We could use some exercise before we indulge in all that Italian food.
Ha ha, true. Anyway, I should get going. Got a ton of work to tackle. Catch you later?
Absolutely. Good luck with work, and we'll plan something fun soon. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.